So I figured I would come down to the basement here and pick my second ever master lock, because I did pick the hardest one that Georgia Jim sent me, which was, oh yeah, this one, after the video I recorded last night. Even though the one from last night this is probably not getting uploaded in that order. So yeah. So let's unpackage, unwrap, unbag these Sparrows picks. I gotta find a place to put this. Well, I stick it right here on this table that I don't own. Yeah, probably not. Okay, so we got our fine friends of the north. Huh. Okay, I've been wondering for a while if some of the picks I got, two of the picks I got early on were actually Sparrows picks and not Peterson, but because they had similar handles to these, but since I've never actually seen these handles in person, they did look similar. Now, they're absolutely not the same thing. So this is interesting. So, got our hooks. What's this? Oh! I wanted to get another one of these. Of course, it's so... the groove in this is so tiny you can barely see that it's there. There's no way this camera's picking it up. But yeah, so let's... figured I'd use the picks that Georgia Jim so nicely sent me. And just do a little picking. Okay, so we've got our Z's, we got our twisted. I've never picked a master lock before, so I'm not really sure what I'm looking for in terms of a tension wrench. Looks like I'm going to want something pretty wide. Trying to only use the Peterson stuff though. So I had to move the camera a little bit, so I'm not entirely sure where I am in all of this. This lock seems to be allergic to staying closed. Let's make sure. But I just opened this accidentally with the tension bar. I think I did. Here's a different one. Well, I guess I can't pick this one because it won't stay closed. Wasn't doing this a minute ago. I may have messed it up. Let me see something, folks. Yeah, it barely turned. I think that's part of the problem. Yeah, I don't think I picked it the first time. I guess I just pried it open. Well, I knew the first time I stuck the tension bar in there, it certainly wasn't doing that, so I don't know. Anyway. Let's give this lock that looks like it would be right at home on a high school or middle school locker. Well, let's give it a shot. See what happens. I've overset the first pin. It dropped as soon as I tapped the second pin. Try not to give so much pressure because I'm a little concerned I already bent all these new picks, which would be just terrible. Unless that groove, they're always made like that. Doesn't that kind of like a bend? Because I know nothing about it. I mean, these Sparrows picks are quite straight all through there, both on the top and the bottom. Well, wait a minute. This one's not. It's not that bad. I don't know. Let's go back to a lock that's not going to want to open just by applying a slight bit of pressure. Now that was what I was expecting from a master lock. Good. I haven't completely lost any ability to pick a lock. Getting a little concerned there. Okay, well, at least this one put up a little bit of a fight. Although I may have just messed it up. Let's see what's going on here. Well, that doesn't look right. Actually, the top pin's not going down. The first top pin is staying up. Isn't a great sign, though. Just the right key. Oh, this is why you don't pick locks that are in use, kids. Good news, I didn't break the lock. I guess it was just twisted past. The bottom was sticking up here. I had to get it all the way back to where it was supposed to be. Because I don't know anything about padlocks. I wasn't sure where that was supposed to be. Okay, just kind of happy I didn't break the first, I don't know, what full-size master lock I've ever SPP'd. Okay, thanks folks. Have a good night.